Hello, today I'm going to tell you about the Discovery Education website, and there's a lot to this website that I haven't used myself, but looking at the tab, it says teachers, and you can explore, there's a network. We're going to just click on Explore K through 5, and it says free teacher resources. It looks like there's a daily brain booster and a daily worksheet on the go. There's a daily lesson plan that you can look at if you want to use that, and these change every day. Um, I believe that they probably have these backlogged where you can download them, but I haven't actually used this site for this purpose. I usually use this site for just the puzzle maker. Being an English teacher, we often have sets of vocabulary, and the kids have to learn spelling, and they have to learn how to match definitions to the words in order to pass their standardized tests. So this is kind of a way to make the practicing for these really boring standardized tests a little bit more interesting for the students. You can see there are several kinds of puzzles in the Puzzle Maker. I usually use the word cross. This is just a word search puzzle. Circle the word within the set of random letters. The younger kids really love this, especially when they're not great at reading yet. They're just looking for the letters and matching the letters, just learning to recognize ABCs. It's really good practice for them to group letters together and think about making words. When they're just learning how to read, this is a really great activity for them, and they love it. The fourth and fifth graders tend to do word searches just for fun. So they see their older brothers doing this kind of puzzle, and they feel like, oh, I'm doing something that's for a big kid, and they feel really cool. But this one is Crisscross Puzzle. It's your word search puzzle where you get a clue and you write in the word in the squares. And this one is Double Puzzle. Double Puzzle is a lot of unscrambling. So you'll have letters that are random and you have to unscramble them to make the vocabulary word. And then in your vocabulary word, there are some letters circled. And at the bottom of the sheet, all the circled letters go down, and then you have to unscramble all the circled letters to make a second secret hidden message at the bottom. So it's good for some of the higher level younger kids. Unscrambling words is a little bit difficult for the lower level kids. So it's better just to practice the rote memorization with the vocabulary, spelling, and the definitions for the lower level kids. But sometimes the higher level kids get a little bit bored with the same old remembering the spelling practice. But today we're going to make a crisscross practice. I think you could use this for like history or science, where you have anything where you have a definition and they need to remember the word that goes with it, or with history, if they're learning different battles or different country names or different people's names who did something, you can type in the clues a little bit differently. But for me, I'm going to use it for English. So let's see, we're going to call this one, we did a lesson on space the other day, so we'll call this one Space Twizzle. And this is how you say how big you want the puzzle, 50 or 50. I'm going to say 30 because I'm not going to make a giant puzzle just to show you guys what to do. So we're going to say space size 30. You can change this. If you have more, then this should go down and it'll be a bigger puzzle with more complicated spellings if you have more squares. But for me, I'm just going to do it simple, maybe grade level 2 or 3. So let's start with Earth, E-A-R-T-H. And then you make a space, and then you write in your clue. So the kids won't see Earth. Earth is what goes into the puzzle as empty boxes. But they use those letters to connect, to make the puzzle when they're generating the puzzle. So next we write the clue. The clue will be the planet where we live. Okay, and then we will have, how about Mars? Our neighbor planet. So I can do 2 sentences, and until I hit enter, that will all be part of the same clue. So when I want to do a new word, I hit enter to make a new line. If it goes past and goes down one online, it doesn't matter unless I hit enter. Hitting enter will create the next prompt for a new clue, a new word and a new clue. So let's do moon space. This makes the MOON is what I want in the box puzzle. The clue will be it is from our sky. It's not white. So all of those will be the same clue because I haven't hit enter yet. Now hit enter. Okay, and we'll do sun. This makes light for Earth. Okay. And let's see, what else can we do? How about planet? This orbits the sun. Okay. Alright, so next, when we finished entering all our clues, I think that's enough for making the puzzle. When we finished entering all our clues, we go to create my puzzle. And it will generate a crossword puzzle for us. As you can see, usually it only passes one time through, but it will connect the words in a way that uses the smallest amount of space possible. And then you can see the clues appear at the bottom. It is seen from our sky. It's not a planet, it is white. So it's not the same order of clues that we typed in. The order will be randomized according to how it fits in the puzzle. They'll just put the words in however it fits best, and then generate the clues as a result afterward. Now, to get this out, I usually copy the image. I will do this and then copy image as, and move it over to a Word document, or you can save image as and then print the picture file. I usually copy it to a Word document so that I can add a section with true-false questions or fill-in-the-blank questions, and it's just part of the worksheet. It's not actually the whole activity in itself. It's kind of the fun part of the worksheet practice. But I use this all the time. It's easy to make. It takes just a few minutes. It's a great way for the kids to practice just spelling in a way that's a little bit more fun. So hopefully you guys